Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dreamy retro glow effect using Hypic photo editor app. It's a soft cinematic look with a warm glow and a bit of vintage touch, and everything can be done inside Hypic only. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Hypic app, and then if you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Play Store. And then once you're in, just tap on start editing and then just choose your photo. Just choose the photo that you want to edit like this. And then next, let's start with the effect. Just go to effects and then choose blur, and then just choose long exposure. This one, just tap on it and then adjust the effect. Adjust it as you like. I will adjust it like this. This will give your photo that smooth glowing motions look. And then next, just go to filters and then go to retro like this and then choose Princeton. This one, you can adjust the intensity as you like. For example, like this. And then just go to edit and then tap on add and add another filter. Just go to quality and then choose HDR lens like this. Adjust the intensity as you like. I will make it to maximum. And then let's tap on edit again and then tap on add again. And go to scenery like this and then choose warm sunshine. This one. Like this. Adjust the intensity. For example like this. Just keep it subtle and natural. After that, just go to adjust and then choose HSL. Adjust the yellow tone. For example like this. Okay, like this. But feel free to play around until you find a perfect look. And finally, just go to effect again. Tap on edit and then tap on add. Let's add more effect. Just choose chromatic aberrations and then choose CA2 like this. Adjust the intensity as you like. For example like this. And then you're done. Okay, that's it. You have just created that dreamy retro glow effect inside Hypic. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.